Hi guys, welcome back to SRE Customs. I had a 30.5 sent to me, an OBR case read 30.5, but after some close examination on it, it's in pretty rough shape. Okay, I'll show you a few things. There's a break there, there's a break there, which is just the clutch housing, so we can fix that. That's not what bothers me. Now, if you look right down inside there, you'll see that on the left hand side there's a bulge right there. That is someone put too long of a bolt in and has popped a hole right through the case with the bolt. That does bother me. The other thing with it, whoever built this engine originally tried to raise the compression on the engine, and by dropping the cylinder, and when they did, they ended up with some Freeport. Well, let me get it straightened out. There, look at that. See that Freeport? We need to get rid of that too. We can fix that by cutting the head off, putting the billet head on, and picking the cylinder up. We can get rid of that Freeport. But the case, it bothers me that it's got a hole in it there. I mean, I can probably fix it with a little JB Weld, but you know, it will be in there, you know, so there's always a possibility that it can fall out. So I just want to make the owner aware of that, you know what I mean? So a clutch house, a clutch, it needs a 10,000 RPM spring, it needs a new ring, new bearings, new seals, needs a repair done on the case, a lot of cleaning. This is going to be quite a build. So the other thing I want to show you is I did get the case read further along. I ended up setting the squish at 17 thousandths with the big billet head on. Put the really nice Turtle Racing clutch housing on it for them. Trim this up so it would fit on with the billet head. And now all that's left is I'm going to do the reeds later tonight, and then I'll get it mounted on the run stand and get it fired up, guys. Okay, this is SRE, and I'm out.